welcome back to my channel. So starting off, I will be taking this Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette and going to take this color as my transition shade and going to take this darker orange color right next to the color we used and going to apply this right underneath my crease so it gives a little bit more in depth. So I am taking this brown color from the same palette with the same brush and going to diffuse the crease so it gives a really smoky effect, and going to take this dark purple color and going to apply this on my lid with a flat shader brush. So yeah, a tip I will give is wet your brush before then apply it. It gives the most coverage. And going to take this purple color and going to apply this on my crease so both colors diffuses really well together. And going to take this Stila's Magnificent Metal Liquid Eyeshadow in Kitten Karma and going to use this as my winged liner today. I saw this girl on Instagram doing this kind of look, so I created the same effect. And going to apply this DODO lashes in D312 off camera and going to smoke out my lower lash line with the same transition colors. And yeah, I did my whole face off camera because it's the same step. So yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and Shuvo Nobovorso to all my Bengali friends. Bye.